In this video, we will show you how to replace your front wiper blades on this Nissan Altima. If you need these or any other part, order it from oneauto.com. Let's get into it. We'll be using a 28-inch wiper blade for the driver's side of the vehicle and a 16-inch wiper blade for the passenger side. The first thing I want to mention is that the wiper arms are under spring retention, trying to pull them towards the windshield, so you want to make sure you have a firm grasp on it at all times. Now with that said, lift it up away from the windshield. If you were to tip the wiper blade away from the arm down along the bottom here, you're going to find that you have a small locking tab. Squeeze in on that locking tab and pull this out of place. We'll set this down on the windshield, and there it is, friend. Now it's time to install our wiper blade. We're going to take the wiper arm, bring it up and over this area, and then put the hoop over here and lock it into position. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's completely secured, and gently rest it against your windshield. Okay, friend, I showed you how to install one of your front wiper blades. The process for one is the exact same thing for the other. Now, don't forget to order all your parts from oneauto.com. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.